Do you want to know how you can log into your Dominion Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Dominion Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar to search for Dominion Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the login portals. You can see there are a lot of login portals of Dominion Payroll Login. You can select your broker. Let's suppose my broker is iSolve, so go ahead and click on Login and it will take you to the official login portal of Dominion Payroll. What you need to do now is write down your username in this first box. You can either write down your username or your work email address. So go ahead and fill this box with your email or username and then click Next. The next step is to write down your password in this second box. After you write down your password, make sure to look at it by clicking on this eye icon. Then the third step is to click Login. This way you can successfully log into your Dominion Payroll account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. And if you want to log in using a different username, click on this link and then you can log in using another username as well. And if you want to register a new account, then click on this link and create a Dominion Payroll account now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.